Hello, welcome guys. I welcome you all to this amazing video. This video is going to be really interesting, and I have brought a topic that you people requested a lot for. Okay, so in this video I will be teaching you how you can make a WordPress website in Cpanel. This website will take you only a few clicks to get ready. Okay, in fact, in Cpanel, this site will take you only one click to get this made. Okay, I will do it live. And one thing more I would like to add here is that previously we used to do coding for making a website, but now this thing has become very simple and easy. We can easily create a WordPress website in few clicks using Cpanel. So guys, and one more thing, that if you want me to teach you hosting and domain, that how do we buy it, request me. You can leave a comment below, you can contact us. I will also help you out on that. I will try my best to make a separate video on hosting and domain. So this is Cpanel open in front of us right now, and this is how your Cpanel will look like. Okay, this is mine. You will open exactly same Cpanel like this one. Okay, so if you are new onto our channel, do subscribe. And now let's see, there is a WordPress option here, WordPress managed by Softaculous. Okay, and there is another WordPress option, yeah, here. You can also go from here or from there, it doesn't matter. You just have to click onto this and we are on WordPress. Now we will install WordPress. Let's install it right now. And here it is the version which you want to install. Let's go with the latest 5.7. And these, if you have a HTTPS, a secured one, if you have installed HTTPS, you can go with this. Okay, but let's go with this for now because I have already installed and got my SSL services, and this is my domain, techjuice2 and blog site. So this is site name basically. So let's type techjuice2, this is my site name, and site description. So here you have to put your site description. Mine is information motivation technology. Okay, so let's go with this. Okay, this is done. And now an important thing, that you have to create a password and a username. Okay, so I want to explain you something. Most of the people use admin as their username, but I recommend you should not go with this. You should put your own name, your nickname, your company name, or anything, because that will make your site more secure, because hackers can easily hack your sites if they know your username. Most of the people use admin, so they might be able to hack your website. So go with your name. But for now, this is an example site. I will be not using this in future, so let's go with admin. And this is for password. So let's write a password. I will show you live how to make a website. Okay, so I have just selected a random password, doesn't matter. And here email and language of your site, and that's English. Let's go with English. Yeah, it's good, universal language. And now there is advanced options here. Okay, just check them and they are fine. Okay, so you can also change your database name, but no need, let's go with that, it's okay. And now theme, you can choose also. Even if you don't choose, it doesn't matter, you can choose that later. Let's install. Guys, this will take you only a few seconds to install this website. It doesn't take a lot of time. Okay, so here you can see it's done, it's successfully installed, and you have got a link to your login, techjuice2 WordPress admin login. Okay, so this is a link, keep remember this link. And here you can see we have entered a password, and let's log in with this. You can also tick mark remember me if you want, so that you don't need to log in next time if you alone use this PC. Okay, so no need for that security. Okay, so we have opened our dashboard of WordPress, and now we can customize this website here on our dashboard. This is the basic dashboard look that you will be able to see when you create your own website. And you can make pages here, you can delete them, you can customize them, you can edit them, you can put posts, and all these things are done through this dashboard. Okay, so let me add few facts here. Whatever big websites that you see, big businesses running through websites, they are all made on WordPress, like Amazon, AliExpress, and many other websites. They are made on WordPress because this is an easier way, because you can customize very easily here. So let's go in appearances and let's see what settings are we getting here. We can add new posts, we can choose categories in media, pages, appearance. You can customize themes, widgets, menus, background, plugins also, and there are a few tools and settings. Okay, so there are many options. So let's go in permalinks first. Okay, go in settings, permalinks, and bring this to post name, because this is easier for getting audience to your website. Okay, this is some SEO related thing. And now you can customize your theme. There are plenty of themes available here, totally free, without any cost. So let's install some popular themes. And here are a few you can see. You can choose any one that you like according to your niche. Actually, you should consider your topic. Okay, if it's about health, choose some health theme or something like that. If it's e-commerce, you can choose some e-commerce theme. Okay, so these are free. They are paid also available. So I recommend you going for free in the start. Okay, you can also switch this to anything. Okay, now let's come into plugins and see what our plugins can we add. There are some plugins that help you in editing basically. So this classic editor, this is a good theme. You can use this to make new posts and pages. Okay, so this Gutenberg also, this is also for posts and pages. This Jetpack was for security. This health check, this is also for troubleshooting. And there are many plugins that are free available onto this WordPress. You can choose them. Okay, I hope you liked my video. If you do, share with your friends and family. Do like this video, and if there is any question, leave that question in the comment section. I will try my best to help you out in that. Thank you very much for watching this video.